Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I, Parul Rastogi, welcome you all on the Book Talk Show, and today our guest is none other than our very own Neelam Saxena Chandra ma'am. And we will be unfolding the layers of her recent book, The Red Diary, which is already the talk of the town. The title of the book is The Red Diary. As the plot of this book demands, the title is so perfect and sounds like a mystery that attracts the readers to grab it quickly and complete it in one go, to know what is there in the Red Diary. So, dear friends, just hold your breath as we are going to have so much fun. And now, let me call Neelam Saxena Chandra ma'am to be here with us and give us a deep insight about her book, The Red Diary.
Hello everyone.
Thank you so much for being here. आपके ही घर में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है.
Thank you
so,
so much, dear Parul.
so we already have so many viewers with us. So, dear friends, to describe something about her achievements, awards, and unending list of her published work is like showing an earthen lamp to the sun. She is equally good at many fronts of life, be it writing prose and poetry with equal ease, creating beautiful paintings, excellent cooking, commendable time management, writing songs, and now composing and singing them as well. I can continue speaking about her achievements for hours as the list is really very, very long. Whenever I think of my ideal person, it is she who comes in my mind first. Because handling this huge success with such politeness is not a common practice at all. And that is the reason she is loved by all of us. So, once again, I extend a warm welcome to you and thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you,
Now, you would
dear
like to say
Parul.
something?
Thank you, dear Parul. You are really very kind. You've introduced me in such a nice manner. That's really very sweet of you. And I'm very glad to be here today. Yes, in my home, but chatting with you is like an icing on the cake.
Yeah.
Hi, Nivedita.
So, we have got so many viewers with us. Alka ji is also saying hi to us.
Hi, dear Alka. Hi, Nivedita.
Here is the compliment, ladies in red.
It had to be because the title
Yeah,
itself is The Red Diary. Hi,
yeah.
Manisha.
Dushman is here, Kusum is here.
Hi, Kim.
So, before we proceed, I have written a kind of theme poem for your novel, as the theme
Oh,
suggests.
wow.
The so it is in a Hindi. I would like to recite it now,
Sure,
if you
sure.
permit. Okay.
Oh, of course, of course.
तो लाल रंग पर कविता है कि लाल लाल महज रंग नहीं यह तो जीवन है लाल महज रंग नहीं यह तो जीवन है जो बहता है रगों में रक्त बनकर लाल रंग है शौर्य का जय हो या पराजय किसी का लाल जाता है तो धरा लाल ही तो होती है लाल ही रंग है प्रेम के भाव का कि प्रियतम की आहट से ही लालिमा छा जाती है लाल ही रंग है क्रोध के आगमन का लाल ही रंग है क्रोध के आगमन का होठ खामोश हो तब भी आंखें लाल हो जाती है बताओ मुझे बताओ मुझे कहाँ नहीं है ये लाल रंग बताओ मुझे कहाँ नहीं है ये लाल रंग कि सूर्य भी ढलते ढलते आसमां में घुल जाता है ये लाल रंग ये लाल रंग ये लाल रंग.
Wow, wow. You've said so many things about the red color and the different aspects that have been related to it. It's a really wonderful poem, like your other beautiful poems that we keep on reading.
Thank you so much. I'm glad that you liked it. Now, let me give an introduction of this best selling book, The Red Diary. Dear viewers, this book has been divided into three parts and total 24 chapters. The story has been written in short sentences and simple words, which makes it easier to read for everyone. The story has a tremendous flow and carries the suspense so firmly that the reader may not leave this book half read at all and complete this book in one go. You find the characters of the story around you, and as you move forward with the story, somehow you become a part of it and it moves in front of your eyes like a movie. So let's ask her that what really inspired her to weave this story. So, ma'am, please tell us what was the inspiration behind this book?
Well, like my all other books, means novels rather, I love to write on social issues. So this is one such social issue on which I have written. Means it covers different issues. Of course, it begins with the main protagonist in the orphanage, and from there starts my story, and he's in quest to find his parents, which is a very normal quest. But in that quest, so many things happen. His best friend Ina is adopted by some family. Then his another good friend stays along with her. Then he's adopted. Then he tries to find Ina, which becomes like a mystery, and he does finally find her. But will he stay? Will she stay in his life? Is another question. And then the ultimate question: what's there in that red diary?
Yeah.
So, to find that answer, you have to read the book. Since you've read the book, Parul, I suppose you know
Yeah,
it, but please don't disclose it.
definitely. Definitely. And we have some so beautiful comments. So we have already painted it all red. So Aparna ma'am has also joined us.
Hi, Aparna ji. Hello, Manish
And
ji.
I just got a compliment for my earrings. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I had also complimented you 2 minutes ago.
Yeah. So thank you so much. These little things, bring a smile on our face. These little compliments. So, so my next question is, the story belongs to an orphanage. So to prepare for that, did you visit in any orphanage, or how exactly did you prepare for that?
I visited an orphanage several times when I was younger. Means I really
Okay.
didn't remember this till you asked me this question. But in our school, we would be taken to one orphanage, and we would be asked to help the children staying there and to understand their feelings. So that was the time I got to understand them. And later, I would visit there quite often when I grew up, while I was doing my engineering. So I suppose that's where I connected, and I just realized it. I hadn't realized it earlier.
Okay, because when we read the book, we get a clear picture of how management works in an orphanage and how things, you know, go in that way. So, my next question is, suicide tendency is a part of this book and an important subject of present scenario where teenage kids need to be heard. So, what was your thought while writing about it?
Well, I've written this book before the Sushant Singh episode, so it had nothing to do with it. I had completed this novel long before, but
Okay.
I had seen this happen in my neighborhood when I was a youngster, and the feelings which were there of the child's parents or the nearby uh, locality mess, those people who used to stay or the person's friends, it had left them all, so hurt, and everybody was feeling why we couldn't help that person. So I wanted to bring out this important aspect, and often the when a child goes in his or her own room and sleeps there and doesn't talk to anybody, we think it is normal and it's just his mood. But sometimes it could be more than that. So the child should be heard, and whatever things are going in his or her mind should be looked at. That is where I thought of writing about this, and I put it as a part of one of the characters of my novel, one of the main characters of my novel. Now, which is this character? We won't tell you. You have to read the book. Hello, Buaji. Your voice has become low, Parul. Okay. Namaskar, Rajni ji. Oh, you want to know about the characters of the book? Okay. In one of the episodes which we hold on this page, I was asked to sing. So I would like to just tell you the about the characters in a song which I've just prepared. तो दोस्तों मैं ये बताना चाहूंगी कि मुझे सुर साज इस सब का बिल्कुल ज्ञान नहीं है और मुझे संगीत का बिल्कुल ज्ञान नहीं है. योर वॉइस इज रियली नॉट ऑडिबल, पारुल. तो मुझे सुर साज का बिल्कुल ज्ञान नहीं है, तो कोई गलती हो जाए तो मुझे माफ कर दीजिएगा. तो लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली, रुखसार पर छाई लाली लाली लाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली. इन्ना के आरिज़ की रंगत थी मतवाली, रिहान के जिगर में छा गई खुशहाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली. चिवी की चाहत थी जैसे झुकी डाली, थी नहीं जानती वो है दिल वाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली. अर्पिता के त्याग पर नजर थी सवाली, केतन का गम से दिल था खाली खाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली. रिहान की नानी भी थी गुस्से वाली, था उनका रुतबा बड़ा ही ख्याली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली. किसी ने रिहान वास्ते डायरी लिख डाली, राज जान कर ही आपको मिले खुशहाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली, लाली 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 रे, लाली लाली लाली. रुखसार पर छाई लाली 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 रे लाली 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 रे लाली लाली लाली. So this was about the characters in this novel.
हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ
हाँ
रही है?
तुम अब
आवाज
थोड़ी
आ रही
आई.
है? मैं
हाँ अब
हेडफोन्स
थोड़ी आई.
अब आ रही है?
बहुत कम आ रही है.
तो हेडफोन्स
हम्म,
हेलो।
हाँ
हेलो।
अब आई
हाँ,
आवाज.
अब आई अभी आ रही है। ओके। तो
हम्म.
मैं कह रही थी कि एक ही तो दिल है, कितनी बार जीतेंगी। Because after having written and composed songs, now you are just killing it in singing as well. So, and we have some beautiful comments. Um, Anita ji is saying, "वाह वाह लाली लाली रे लाली।" आपकी कविता सभी ने बहुत एंजॉय की है एक्चुअली। और शोभा जी कह रही है, तुम्हारे मुंह पर भी है छाई लाली, लुकिंग चार्मिंग। वाह, व्हाट अ कमेंट। और अंजलि जी कह रही है, जो दिल से निकले वह संगीत है। बिल्कुल सही बात है। Anita ji is saying hi, both Dalalis. Hello to you also, ma'am. So, after we have listened this beautiful poem from Neelam ma'am, let's talk about the characters. So, let me tell you something about the important characters of this novel. There is Rihan. Rihan starts dreaming about his parents accepting him, and suddenly, when the world go upside down for him, he wondered who would be there to share his happiness even if he returned with a gold medal. Then there is Ina. She has a silent heartburn that is clearly shown when Ina expresses her heart after seeing her love after so many years, but her heart is still bearing the pain of that moment when he just let her go and did not stop. It made her feel that her absence just did not matter to anyone, and she felt totally unwanted as no one bothered to keep her. Then there is Shivi, a girl who is perfect in every way but gets friend zone like it always happens. Then there is Arpita, a woman with a strong voice and a strong character of a book. Then there is Ketan, who is actually an ideal lover who believes in the loyalty and the fact that love happens only once, who not only loves but also never fails to express that and take a stand for his love. There are many other important characters in this book, and you will have to read the book to know more about them because I'm not going to reveal everything here. So, after reading the novel, I had some questions in my mind which I would like to ask you for our readers as well. So, my first question is, Ina tried to stay mysterious and kept Rihan guessing what's happening, and yet he was more inclined towards her. So, does it show that mystery attracts more?
Naturally,
naturally.
I think you'll
I
have to
think you'll have to put
mute when
mute
I'm.
when I'm speaking.
Okay. So mystery naturally attracts people. That is one thing. But besides that, Rihan was full of guilt because it was he who had suggested to her that she take up that home where she is being adopted. She didn't want to go that time and she didn't want to leave him. But she went all because he wanted her to. So there was a guilt also, and he was really very good friends with her. So he wanted to know her whereabouts. He wanted to know where she is, and since he couldn't find her, he had to search for her. Unmute, 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 unmute.
Okay, I was just lost in your words. So, also when while Ina was mysterious, Rihan was open and curious. Someone who is always ready with questions. So, does it go with the general saying that opposite attracts?
It all depends, but yes, opposites do
Okay.
attract. And like I've said in one of my poems, you'll have to mute, when I'm you'll have to keep muting and unmuting. So, like I said in one of my poems, that when two people are exactly similar, they won't just know what to talk about because there's nothing to talk about. If Parul says the sky is blue, I say the sky is blue. If Parul says the flower is green, and I also say the flower is green, what do we have to talk about? So, yes, opposites do attract sometimes, but it should not be so different that you just can't gel. So there has to be an equilibrium. There has to be something in between. That's what my view is.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for the answer. Now, my next question is, a girl who makes her lover forget his family can't be good. Arpita says so in this book. So, what are your views regarding this statement by one of the most important characters of the story?
In the book itself, this statement is negated by her lover, Ketan. So naturally, when I've negated that statement made by Arpita, I also don't believe that. And acceptance should be from both the family as well as the girl. And since the girl is new to that family, acceptance has to be more by the family. And here also, that is what Ketan suggests Arpita, and somehow things happen that way, and there's a little of acceptance.
Thank you. So, I'm sure our viewers are enjoying these questions. My next question is, it felt nice to belong to someone. These lines have been used in the novel. So, what do these lines describe? It felt nice to belong to someone.
To different people, it means different things and at different times. So I think this, I don't exactly remember where I have used these words. If you remember, you can let me know, so that will help me answer it better. If you don't, then I'll just answer it like that. When one is very young, the desire, the craving to belong to somebody, either it may be a guy or a girl, is very high, and especially so in today's society. Like the feeling has evaded the society that one should have a girlfriend or a boyfriend. So that is where I suppose one of the characters must have said this. But it's not very necessary to belong to somebody in that sense, in romantic sense, because you always belong to somebody or the other. You may not belong in a romantic way, but there are several other relations. There can be a relation between a parent and a child. There can be a relationship between siblings. There can be a relationship between friends. Like you and I are very good friends, despite our age difference. So, don't you belong to me or don't I belong to you? We do belong to each other. There are so many of my friends. Don't I belong to Sureka? Don't I belong to Renu? Don't I belong to Shobha Boaji? I belong to all of these. So there's a difference. At some age of life, even I felt that belonging to somebody meant belonging in a romantic manner. But yes, after attaining my age, I certainly feel that romanticism is not the only thing in life. There's much beyond it. And yes, if you get somebody of your choice, somebody who helps you grow, then it is very good. Otherwise, it's better not to have somebody just for the sake of having, or because the society demands that you should belong to somebody.
I agree, and you described it really very well. So, and as Surekha ma'am is also saying, a portion of us belong to many in different ways. How true. Anjali ma'am is also agreeing with this fact. And dear viewers, now we have given you a clear picture of the characters, the storyline, and the idea behind it as well. Now there is a time to have some fun. And today I have a little surprise for you as I have an important guest with me. So can you guess?
Me, I
Me,
can't
I
guess.
can't guess.
You could,
Oh,
I
so
can
let
see
me
everybody commenting.
let me bring that guest on the screen. Here we go. Red, red,
Hi.
red. Hi, Nikita Di.
Hi,
Thank you
Parul.
thank you so much for being here.
You are most
You are most
welcome.
welcome.
It's my
It's my
pleasure.
pleasure. So,
Hope my sisters are calling me and I won't be there.
be there. So, as in this book, the bond of sisters plays an important role, I thought, why don't I call Nikita Di here to join us? So, it does not end here as I have a game for both of you. Are you ready?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
We have to be
So,
ready. We have a
We
choice.
have no option.
so here's a game. I'm going to ask some questions and you have to guess about the other. For example, if I ask what is your favorite fruit? So you have to write down your own favorite fruit. Then your sibling has to guess yours. So
Okay.
suppose if I ask you what is your favorite fruit, you have to write it down. Then I will ask from Nikita Di that what is the favorite fruit of Neelam ma'am. So she has to guess what you might have written.
Very
So
difficult.
this way we will check the compatibility kind of thing. So it is going to be fun. So please get a pen and paper.
I'll write on the
Definitely.
notepad. I opened my
So
notepad.
yeah. So my first question is, if your life was a movie, if your life was a movie, which actress will play your role? You have to write about yourself, okay? So if your
Okay.
life was a movie, which actress will play your role?
Okay.
I'm very much excited to know the answers. So, okay. So, have you written?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me start from Neela ma'am. So, what do you think? What Nikita Di might have written? Which actress is going to play her role?
See, I've written two answers. One is fun answer, and one is
Huh?
more funnier.
Okay, okay. So, we would like to
Interesting.
hear both one.
So first answer is Kangana Ranaut,
Hey, you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
and the second one is Lady
Huh?
Shahrukh Khan.
Who? Which
Lady
one?
Shahrukh Khan.
Why not? Why
Lady
not?
Yes,
Shahrukh
that
Khan.
is
So
that.
now we would like to listen from Nikita Di, what answer she has written. Let me
Kareena
see if it is
Kapoor from Kabhi Khushi
Kareena.
Kabhi Gum.
I think Parul is frozen.
Yes. She is in a state of shock, I guess, listening
I
to
see.
her answers.
So, is she in shock seeing us together? But she only invited you, na?
Yes.
Maybe,
And
maybe she's
she's
in
shocked
shock.
listening to her answers also.
And it is such a big surprise that you are here, Nikita, because you don't come online at all.
Yes,
Yes,
but
but
then
then
you
Hello?
and
you and
Parul both
Parul
are
both
there.
are there. Hello?
So I have
So
to
I have
come.
to come.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
my network is creating
Low.
a problem.
Hmm.
Okay, so now I would like to ask from Nikita Di, what do you think what Neelam ma'am might have written? Which actress is going to play her role?
Kajol.
Kajol. Kajol. Really? Correct answer.
Yeah,
Oh my God. Wow. So, very nice. So, my second question is, if you were in jail, what would be the crime?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. If you were in jail, what would be the crime? Have you written the answers?
yeah,
Yes.
Okay.
yeah.
Yes.
So, Nikta Di, would you tell us what Neelam ma'am have written?
Didi will be
Didi will be
in jail
in
for
jail
being
for
too
being
sweet.
too sweet. For being
Too sweet.
too sweet. Oh my God. कितनी मिठास. Okay. So, Neela ma'am, is that correct answer?
Almost, because I
Almost,
wrote
because I wrote
made
made
fool of
fool
by
of
someone.
by someone. Oh, almost correct answer. So, नीला मैम, अब आप बताइए निकिता दी ने क्या लिखा होगा?
निकिता ने क्या
निकिता ने
लिखा
क्या
होगा?
लिखा होगा? किस काम के लिए वो जेल जा सकती हैं, ऐसा उन्हें लगता है?
Speaking
Speaking
something
something
contradictory.
contradictory.
Sorry.
Okay. Sorry?
Speaking something
Speaking something
contradictory.
contradictory?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Even I agree.
Yes,
Yes,
I'm being outspoken.
outspoken. Yeah. So, my next question is, what do you have common in your siblings? Ready with the answers?
Done.
Done. तो निकिता दी बताइए फिर नीला मैम ने क्या लिखा होगा?
Poetry
Poetry
and
and
traveling
traveling
and
and
photography.
photography. Okay, poetry, traveling, and photography. So, Neela ma'am, please tell us what you have written.
I've written
I've written
management,
management,
photography,
photography,
and
and
writing.
writing. Great. Almost right answer. So, very good. नीला मैम अब आप बताइए.
मैंने तो बताया ना,
मैंने तो बताया ना
मैनेजमेंट,
मैनेजमेंट,
फोटोग्राफी.
हाँ सॉरी निकिता दी अब आप बताइए.
वैसे भी वही
वही
फोटोग्राफी
फोटोग्राफी
एंड
एंड
रीडिंग.
रीडिंग. वेरी नाइस. तो दोनों के ही आंसर एक जैसे हैं. वेरी नाइस. So next question is, what are the things that you are both good at? आप दोनों इक्वली इसमें अच्छे हैं. ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं? निकिता दी पहले आप बताइए.
Talking and
Talking
writing.
and writing. Cooking.
Talking.
Talking. Okay. That
बातें
is why I
बनाना.
got surprised. I got surprised.
Cooking.
Yeah, that was a shock to me actually.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Talking and writing.
Writing.
Writing. Okay. तो नीला मैम क्या लिखा है आपने?
I wrote only
I
speaking.
wrote only speaking. Speaking. Okay. Okay. और आपको क्या लगता है निकिता दी ने क्या लिखा होगा?
यानी उसने भी टॉकिंग ये लिखा।
टॉकिंग एंड
अ, उसने अभी तो बताया था टॉकिंग
Writing.
मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ।
Writing.
ओके, तो अभी मैं आपसे पूछ चुकी हूँ, अभी निकिता दी से पूछना है मुझे। हाँ निकिता दी बताइए।
दीदी ने फोटोग्राफी लिखा होगा।
यस,
मेरे हिसाब से फोटोग्राफी
फोटोग्राफी। ओके मैम बताइए, क्या
हाँ,
फोटोग्राफी सही आंसर? ठीक है, आपको मिलते हैं 1 करोड़, आप अगले पड़ाव पे पहुंच चुकी हैं। अब लास्ट कर,
करते क्या?
हाँ लाइफ लाइन नहीं, कोई नहीं है हमारे पास, सॉरी। तो अभी हमारा अगला पड़ाव है, आखिरी क्वेश्चन। इफ यू वर ट्रैप्ड इन अ रूम, व्हाट 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स वुड यू वांट टू हैव? कौन सी 5 चीजें हैं जिनके संग आप रूम में अकेले रह सकते हैं, सरवाइव कर सकते हैं? रेडी विद आंसर्स?
यस।
पहले नीलम मैम से पूछते हैं, आपको क्या लगता है निकिता दी को किन 5 थिंग्स की जरूरत होगी?
मोबाइल, सेकंड थिंग
Yes.
इज थर्ड थिंग इज मोबाइल, फोर्थ थिंग इज मोबाइल, फिफ्थ
Yes.
थिंग इज आल्सो मोबाइल।
Very good. I agree. मोबाइल मोबाइल मोबाइल, ओके। तो निकिता दी क्या ये सही आंसर था?
Not mobile is one of the five things.
Okay. So what are those 5 things you would like to know?
Camera,
Hmm.
mobile,
Hmm.
charger,
Hmm.
knife,
Okay.
and food.
Okay. Okay. That was going to be a dangerous game until you said fruit. So निकिता दी, आपको क्या लगता है नीला मैम को कौन सी 5 चीजों की जरूरत होगी?
Laptop,
हम्म।
mobile,
हम्म।
charger,
हाँ।
happy,
ओके।
और food.
ओके, तो नीला मैम क्या ये सही जवाब थे?
Not a thing.
या बट वो तो हमारे ग्रुप का दामाद भी है एक्चुअली। That is a long story, I'll tell you later. Yeah. So,
मैंने लिखा है लैपटॉप,
yeah,
इंटरनेट,
yeah,
बुक्स,
yeah.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक,
Okay.
आइसक्रीम।
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है, काफी डिलीशियस आंसर्स थे। नाउ आई हैव अ क्रेविंग फॉर आइसक्रीम। So, did you enjoy the game? Because I enjoyed a lot. So we have one more surprise for you. As I said, I had 2 surprises. So can you guess now what is going to be another one? No idea. We have a very special guest with us. Yeah. Yes. नमस्ते। कैसी हैं आप? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर इस स्क्रीन पर देखकर, एंड आने के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। आई एम श्योर नीला मैम को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा आपको देखकर।
सच में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
सरप्राइज समझ में आ रहा है।
So after seeing the bond of 2 sisters, now let us ask their mom about them, क्योंकि माँ सब जानती हैं। तो अभी मैं पूछने जा रही हूँ आपके और निकिता दी के बारे में क्वेश्चंस। निकिता दी, क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप भी फ्रेम में हो?
Actually, it's very difficult.
थोड़ा सा अगर डिस्टेंस पे अगर आप
try.
हम्म। हाँ, मतलब दोनों के एक्सप्रेशंस आ जाए। हाँ आप ठीक है, परफेक्ट। तो अभी मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, तो आपको उसके आंसर देने होंगे।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
आई होप कि मुझे बाद में डांट नहीं पड़ेगी इन क्वेश्चंस के लिए। तो मेरा मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि बचपन में डांट किसे ज्यादा पड़ती थी, निकिता दी को या नीलम मैम को?
निकिता
निकिता दी को। ओके ओके, तो मेरा, और किस बात के लिए पड़ती थी, किस बात के लिए पड़ती थी?
वो शैतानी करती।
वो तो अभी भी है। तो मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, दोनों में से ज्यादा शरारती कौन है?
निकिता ये
वाह वाह। और थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, किसका कमरा हमेशा बिखरा हुआ रहता था या रहता है हमेशा, मतलब जिसको आपसे डांट पड़ती हो कमरा बिखरा बिखरा रखने के लिए?
निकिता
क्या बात है, हर चीज में आप टॉप कर रही है निकिता दी। और फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, तैयार होने में किसे सबसे ज्यादा वक्त लगता है?
नीलम को।
हाँ, दोनों को, दोनों को।
नीलम को।
वाह, क्या बात है।
किसी में तो आते हो।
सही बात है। अगला क्वेश्चन है कि देर तक सोते रहने में कौन आगे है?
नीलम
वाह, दिस इज सरप्राइजिंग एक्चुअली। मैं निकिता दी की उम्मीद कर रही थी कि उनका नाम लिया जाएगा इसमें। ओके, मतलब सोना पसंद है आपको। ओके,
मैं जल्दी सो जाती हूँ।
हाँ आप जल्दी सोते हो। अगला क्वेश्चन है, पढ़ाई में कौन आगे रहता था?
नीलम
नीलम मैम। वाह, वेरी नाइस। निकिता दी, क्या बात है। ओके, तो अगला क्वेश्चन है, कौन जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाता है
नीलम
दोनों में से? रियली? ओके, डर तो वैसे मुझे भी लगता है, मतलब डांट पड़ी नहीं है अभी तक बट फिर भी लगता है। तो अच्छा, बचपन में कौन सबसे ज्यादा शिकायतें लेकर के आता था, अपने दोस्तों की, अपनी टीचर्स की?
निकिता
वाह। और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है कि गाना कौन अच्छा गाता है, निकिता दी या नीलम मैम?
कोई भी नहीं।
ओ भाई, नहीं अभी अभी नीलम मैम सीख रही है, नीलम मैम ने अभी शुरू कर दिया है रियाज। तो ओके, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात है, बिल्कुल सही बात है। और हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स आ गए हैं। शोभा जी ने कहा है, नमस्ते भाभी जी, आपको देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। और अंजलि जी भी नमस्कार बोल रही हैं। सतबीर मैम भी है।
नमस्कार।
अंजलि मैम बोल रही है नाइस फैमिली। निवेता जी ने भी आंटी को नमस्ते कहा है। सतबीर जी ने कहा है योर मॉम एंड सिस वाओ। और बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, थैंक यू सो मच शोभा जी। सतबीर जी सेइंग रिगार्ड्स टू यू एंड अम्मा जी। अलका जी भी नमस्ते बोल रही है। तो सभी ने एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय किया, और मेरे लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, आज सभी लोग स्क्रीन पर हैं, आप हैं, निकिता दी हैं, आंटी हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा एक साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करके सभी के साथ। तो
मेरे
अभी
लिए
मैं
बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज था। और
आई एम
मम्मी
श्योर
ने
आपको, या तो आई एम श्योर कि आपको अच्छा लगा हो, एक मेमोरेबल हमारा दिन रहा आज का। तो क्या तो आंटी आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी नीलम मैम के लिए, कुछ दो शब्द?
तो शुरू से ही
तुम म्यूट हो जाओ, म्यूट हो जाओ। अब बोलिए मम्मी।
वो तो अच्छी है ही है, उसको जो सोचती है वो करती है। बुक से
आपका आशीर्वाद।
और बहुत सारे रिवार्ड भी मिले हैं उसे।
बिल्कुल, जब हमें इतना गर्व महसूस होता है उनसे एसोसिएट होकर, तो हम समझ सकते हैं कि आपको कितना गर्व महसूस होता होगा उन पर। और निकिता दी, आपके आपसे भी हम 2 शब्द सुनना चाहेंगे। प्लीज।
एक्चुअली मैं जेनीज बुक लाइफ पे कभी ऑनलाइन नहीं आती हूँ। इससे पहले भी दीदी ने मुझे कई बार बोला है, बट समहाउ टाइम और इसके उसमें मैं नहीं आ पाती थी। लेकिन आज मैंने सोचा कि पारुल एंड दीदी दोनों भी है, तो फिर आज तो आना बनता है। यानी थैंक यू पारुल फॉर कोऑर्डिनेटिंग एवरीथिंग सो नाइसली। So, and Didi to has always made Saxena's proud. She is the क्या कहेंगे उसको shining light of the family. उन्होंने जितने अवार्ड्स लिए हैं और जितनी बुक्स लिखी हैं, I call her poetry की factory. So the way she keeps turning out poems, and that too, those poems are so soulful, and you can connect to the poems. So that is a very good thing. I really admire her for all that. And in her busy schedule, उनके पास में काम, यानी खुद के लिए टाइम निकालना, घर अच्छे से संभालना, ऑफिस अच्छे से संभालना, बच्चों को अच्छे से संभालना, और उसके बावजूद पोएट्री वगैरह इतने अच्छे से लिखना, पोएट्रीज ही नहीं, नॉवेलाज सब। तो इट्स रियली, शी मेक्स अस ऑल प्राउड।
आई टोटली एग्री, बिल्कुल। और बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ आपसे। और नीला मैम, जैसा कि आपने अभी सुना, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? हम आपसे आपकी फीलिंग्स जानना चाहेंगे कि अभी आप क्या सोच रही हैं।
मैं सबसे पहले तो अभी बहुत इमोशनल हो रही हूँ। मम्मी से मिले हुए 1 साल हो गया है इस कोविड के चक्कर में। तो बड़ी इच्छा है मम्मी से मिलने की। तो एक तो वो विचार मेरे मन में चल रहा है, और जो है जल्दी से मिलने का मन कर रहा है। और मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ मेरी मम्मी की वजह से ही हूँ। उन्होंने मुझे बहुत आगे किया हर चीज में आगे बढ़ने के लिए। उस समय पे जब लड़कियों को आगे बढ़ने में इतना कोई ये नहीं रहता था, मम्मी ने मुझे हर समय नहीं ये करना है ये करना है करके किया ही नहीं, बल्कि साथ भी निभाया। अब वो मेरी क्लास 4th में मुझे कल्चरल प्रोग्राम था एक स्कूल में, मेरे स्कूल में, और मैं उसमें 4 आइटम्स में थी। तो वो किसी वजह से हमको कहीं जाना पड़ रहा था, तो वो जाके टीचर से बात करी कि इसको पोस्टपोन करा दीजिए, और वो पोस्टपोन हो गया। और वो सब चीज के लिए मुझे तैयार करती थी, डांस सिखाना और सभी कुछ सिखाना। और वो मुझसे कहती थी तुम खाने पीने की चिंता मत किया करो, तुम घर के काम मैं कर लूंगी, तुम जो है अच्छे से पढ़ाई पे अभी कंसंट्रेट करो। तो बहुत बड़ी चीज है। और फिर निकिता मेरे से वैसे तो 8 साल छोटी है, तो मैं बहुत सालों तक तो उसे बच्चा ही समझती आई, और उसे डांटती भी आई कभी कभी बहुत डांटा है। बट वो इतनी अच्छे से आगे बढ़ी है जिंदगी में, इतनी मुश्किलें आई उसकी जिंदगी में, पर कभी उसने हार नहीं मानी और आगे आगे बढ़ती रही। इतनी मुश्किलों के बावजूद कुछ भी करती रही, कुछ ना कुछ करती रही, कोई ना कोई रास्ते ढूंढती रही। तो वी आर प्राउड ऑफ यू टू निकिता। एंड निकिता इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड पोएटेस, और फोटोग्राफी में तो इसका कमाल ही है। हम दोनों ने एक बुक भी लिखी है जो कि लिम्का बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में है। इसके अलावा उसकी फोटोज कई सारी हैं जो कि मेरे बुक्स में रहती हैं, पोएट्री बुक्स में रहती हैं, कुछ पोएट्री बुक के कवर पेज पे भी हैं। तो आई एम फीलिंग वेरी इमोशनल राइट नाउ, कांट से मोर।
व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग राइट नाउ। और मतलब मेरे पास भी एक्चुअली अब शब्द नहीं बचे कि मैं क्या कहूँ ऐसे मोमेंट कमेंट पर। तो बस यही कहूंगी कि
पारुल शायद फिर से फ्रोजन
पारुल
हो गई।
की फिर से आवाज ये हो गई है।
हाँ, वो इंटरनेट का
इसके
उसके
इंटरनेट
यहाँ
के
उसके यहाँ
इशू के इशू।
हेलो।
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ,
जी,
आ गई। हाँ पारुल।
फिर गई।
इंटरनेट में आना जाना तो
इंटरनेट
चलता ही रहता
चलता
है।
ही रहता है।
हाँ, तो ये तो जिंदगी है। परंतु आप लोग दोनों आए, मम्मी और निक्की, बड़ा अच्छा लगा।
मम्मी और निक्की बड़ा अच्छा लगा।
हाँ, आ
हेलो,
गई
हमें
पारुल।
अभी
भी
मेरी
अच्छा
आवाज
लगा।
आ रही है?
हाँ,
हाँ
जी
जी,
जी।
हमें भी अच्छा लगा।
हाँ जी, थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इश्यू थोड़ा सा हो रहा था मेरे एंड से। तो मैं खुद निशब्द हूँ, मैं क्या बोलूँ इस प्यार के लिए। इवन हमारे पास बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए हैं। शोभा जी बोल रही हैं नीलम इज अ प्राइड ऑफ फैमिली। शोभा जी सिंह, बिल्कुल सही कहा नीलम ने, मम्मी इज रियली ग्रेट, नो डाउट शी इज द बैकबोन ऑफ द फैमिली। अंजलि मैम इज सेइंग वेरी इंस्पायरिंग। Again, Shobhaji is praising Nikita Di. Nikita is also very talented. Satvir ji is saying blessings to Nikita too. And also saying hope for you the best. Ishan Agnihotri ji is saying just words fall short, regards. So dear viewers, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप हमारे संग जुड़े रहे, आपने हमें सुना और इस ब्यूटीफुल मूवमेंट का आप भी एक हिस्सा बने जो आज यहाँ पर अभी बना। और इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ let me say a temporary goodbye with words with a hope to come back really very soon. Now I'm just falling short of words कि मैं क्या बोलूं. I'm truly overwhelmed with love and affection. So let us say goodbye for today.
Thank you, dear
Goodbye.
Parul.
Thank you.
Love you a
Thank you,
lot.
dear Parul.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Love you a lot.
Love you all. Really.
Bye.
So
Namaste,
should
mummy.
I?
Bye, Nikki.
Namaste,
Bye.
Bye.
mummy.
Bye,
Bye,
Parul.
Nikki.
Bye. Bye,
सभी
everyone.
Bye,
सभी
Parul.
को
Bye,
सभी
Nikki.
को
Bye,
नमस्कार।
everyone.